Welcome to Info Knowledge Maze. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you, the Jaguar I-PACE. This all-electric SUV is Jaguar's bold step into the future of driving, combining luxury, performance, and sustainability in one sleek package. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design. The Jaguar I-PACE is unmistakable, a perfect blend of elegance and sportiness. The aerodynamic shape isn't just for looks, it helps with efficiency and range. Up front, you've got the signature Jaguar grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted body that gives it a bold, futuristic presence. Step inside, and the I-PACE doesn't skimp on luxury. You'll find premium materials everywhere, from the leather seats to the stunning interior trim. It's a truly sophisticated cabin that feels like a high-end lounge on wheels. And Jaguar has packed in some impressive tech too. The I-PACE comes with the Touch Pro Duo infotainment system, which includes dual touchscreens, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and more. You've also got driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Whether it's parked or in motion, the I-PACE commands attention. The sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like feel, and the 22-inch wheels available on some trims add to its striking appearance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, or should I say, what's under the floor. The I-PACE is powered by dual electric motors, delivering a total of 394 horsepower and 512 pounds-ft of torque. That means you're getting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. That's supercar territory in an SUV. And with all-wheel drive and instant torque from the electric motors, the I-PACE handles brilliantly. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on tight corners, it's got the agility and performance you'd expect from a Jaguar. Of course, one of the most important factors when it comes to electric vehicles is range, and the I-PACE doesn't disappoint. With a 90 kWh battery, you can expect up to 246 miles on a full charge. That's plenty for most daily commutes and road trips. And when it's time to recharge, you've got options. You can use a fast charger to get from 0 to 80% in just 40 minutes, or plug it into a level-to charger at home overnight. Plus, the 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering this SUV super easy, even in tight spaces. On the road, the I-PACE feels just as luxurious as it looks. The ride is smooth and quiet, with a low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement. Whether you're in the city or out on winding roads, the I-PACE offers an engaging, comfortable drive. And of course, being an electric vehicle, the I-PACE is helping reduce your carbon footprint. With zero tailpipe emissions, it's a step toward a cleaner, greener future. So, there you have it, the Jaguar I-PACE. It's an all-electric SUV that delivers luxury, incredible performance, and cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for a sustainable vehicle that doesn't compromise on style or excitement, the I-PACE is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think about the I-PACE. Is it the electric SUV of your dreams? Or do you have another favorite? Let's talk.